Hello everyone. In this class, we will learn how to define company and then how to define company code and how we can assign it. And then further is like you can see that what are the steps I'm going to explain. So that comes under enterprise structure planning. And also in the last class, I have explained you what is organization structure. And then I have also explained you what is our landscape of SAP. So, as you know, that organization structure is like, how we can, under which note it should create company, company code, plant, purchase organization, sales organization, like that. So now, same thing we will do in practical, how we can create company, company code and assign and further. Okay, so let's get start. Um, I'll explain you how we can log in that. Okay, SAP login is like you can buy, you can get, you can approach your local institute for SAP ECC learning, FI learning. You can ask access, they will share a detail, and then after that, they will, try to uh, set up this via remotely, desktop remotely. So here, like after this, that you will get like this SAP logon pad. Here, what you have to do, we have to double click here. Okay, and then here we can see ECC. Here we have to double click again. And this is client is 800, which I've already told you 800 means a training and development client. This is just simply the data is not going anywhere. It is just in this client only. It will be there. So user ID they have shared with me is my user ID user March, and my password they have shared. Enter. So now this is our SAP screen. Here first, like how we log in, same like this. Here we can come and we can log off. So when we log off, we'll completely come out from SAP screen. Okay, so and then if you want to create more sessions, or like if you want to create here we can see create new sessions, SAP allow you to open total 6 session in one login. So like this we can create total 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now maximum, like once you reach once you open 6, then you can get this maximum number of GUI session reached. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we want to uh, close it. We have option like this directly. We can come close. So how many we have closed? So like this. So now we have opened this one. Okay. So now here is like we have how to access the screen. Okay. So access screen, here we have two ways. First is path, okay, which is like a path we have to follow, and another one is transaction code or technical way. Okay, so I'll just explain you how we can get in, how we can use path. So first is like SPRO, we have to enter. This is our command box, enter. Then here SAP reference implementation guide, click here. Then here we can reach to our uh, pathwise, in which area we want to go, in which field we want to go, or else come back here. Back button is there. Directly we can come here and we can enter T codes. So let me explain you here. So in company we have T code is like direct OX15, or in the pathwise SAP customization implementation guide, enterprise structure, defining financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, like that. So now again we'll go back to SAP, and here I want to okay, I will explain you how we can follow path. Same you can try. Okay, then here SPRO, sorry, SPR we have already entered. Then SAP reference IMG. Okay, so here we can see under that enterprise structure. Enterprise structure, then we'll go to our Excel sheet. We'll follow the path defining and financial accounting. Okay, defining financial accounting, and here we have define company. So here like how we can create company. So we have to select new entry. Here we have, here if you want to go back we can click here, and if you want to delete something we can do that. If you want to copy, means as it is we can copy from some other company code, though here I will teach you how we can create. So here is like so company code is always 6-digit alphanumeric. So you can enter anything is like a character and with numeric, or you can enter numeric also. All 6-digit maximum. Minimum you can enter 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I will use 6-digit alphanumeric. So let's take an example of Reliance, because in Reliance we can get more data. So let's suppose Reliance 1 is my company alphanumeric. Okay, we can Reliance 1, it will allow only 6-digit. So here I will enter Reliance company. Okay, company name same, we can enter limited. Street something will enter. Okay, PO box 000, postal code, city will enter Mumbai, country is our India, and language is in English. So we want data, this data should come in English. So I mean we want that data should come in English language. So as per that we have selected English, and currency we want all the transaction in INR. So INR is our Indian currency. Okay, so now we'll try to save this. Okay, so so what is this? This box has come pop up. So what you have to do, create request, own request. Here we have to write down is like whatever changes will do, it will save in this TR, transport request. Okay, and this request, like if we are in the live scenario, then same TR number we can use to move to the next client or to the quality also. So right now we are in the training, so I'm just showing you for you, just to show you know how in the real time we can save this. So I'm just entering Reliance so that I will save all my changes in this transport request. Reliance company changes, Reliance changes. Okay, this is my user ID, new I am creating today. So and the source client is 800. Now save this. From next time I will use this TR. Once I've saved, I will get one TR number. So here 1747. Now onwards I will use whatever changes I will do in SAP, I will save in this only. Continue. So now this data was saved. View table, if you want we can do that. Here is like the data is saved, we can see. Okay, so now go back. Okay, so again go back. Now we have reached on is implementation guide screen. Okay, so now we want to create company code. Here we'll go to our Excel. We'll see in the Excel we have ing, enterprise structure, definition, and then define, delete, check company code. Okay, this one. Click here. Now we'll create company code. So here we'll create on edit company code data. We'll click on edit company code data, double click here. Then we can reach, like here we have to assign our company code. Same scenario, we have to use new company code, new entries. Then as I told you in the previous, is like company code is our, this would be a legal entity which will use for our profit and loss purpose. So, and this is allow you 4-digit alphanumeric. So what I'll do, I will enter Reliance. I'll enter RL. I will enter short and 11. Okay. So this would be our alphanumeric. So I will write Reliance Communication. All right. Telecom Limited, Private Limited. Okay. City, I'm just writing Mumbai. Country, here whenever we'll see this button, this means search means here once we click here we can see possible option which is already provided by SAP. So we have to scroll it down and we'll look for I, or directly in the screen you can enter IN. Here we have IN means India, 4-digit. So currency, as we know that here is like again search button, then we can see INR. So I am directly enter INR, and preferable language I will choose English. Enter. Then this, it will ask the whole detail of company code, where it is located and all. So we have enter location with the address. So Reliance Private Limited. Search is like as just, if you want to directly search we can enter 1122. If we'll use this 4-digit, then directly we can reach on this company code. Shortcut street, I will write down some random 566 Worley. Okay, house number, where the company is that, I will enter 123. Then postal code 00100. City, we have to enter Mumbai. By country is India, and region, if you'll ask, we can enter Maharashtra. Okay, this is done. So again, okay, after enter we'll reach here, then click on save. Again this 747 Reliance changes will reach here, then click on continue. So this changes also means company code changes was also same in this transport request. Click here. So now here we can see data is saved. Now go back, close this. Okay, so here in the same path only we have assignment group, financial accounting. Now assign company code to company. So here we can see company code. So there can be a n number of company code can assign to only one company code, sorry, to only one company only. So we'll search here, put a cursor here in the position, click here, and you have, you remember your company code, the one which you created. So RL11 I have created, so enter here. And if you don't remember your company code, then Here we have search button. We'll scroll it down. Okay, Reliance. Okay, so now here I have assigned my company code. Here we have a search button. We click F4 and then we select our company code, the one which we have created, and then save this. Okay, so now next is just we'll go to our Excel sheet. We'll see what is our next step. So we have done this step. We have created company. We have created company code, and we have a business area is just optional nowadays. So instead of that, company create a cost center. The cost center part I will explain you in the later part. So let's move to the fiscal year variant.